I love working with my group. Lagi sila nakikinig. They're a fun bunch. Wala akong problema. Never ako nagka-problema sa kanila.
Sobrang boring, sobrang corny, tsaka sobrang annoying yung mga ibang coaches. So, enjoy. Sobrang enjoy. Yeah, masaya. Kasi it started out, una, nag-enjoy lang. I'd be, kumbaga, comfortable doing this kasi nag-mentor naman talaga ako. Pero, nung naka-interact ko ng mga other coaches, they were so fun to work with. Sobrang enjoy. But, habang nagpo-progress yung competition, mas na-enjoy ko kasi we really got into the spirit of competition. Talaga naglalaban talaga kami. We still ask ngayon, kunyari tulad, Stella would ask for advice, same thing also. I'll ask them also kung sino yung tingin nila na, kung magtulungan pa rin, but the competition is there and we're really taking it seriously. Kaya sa enjoy.
Don't be afraid to be different. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, dun tayo sa mga sure natin na tatangkilikin, dun tayo sa sure na tatanggapin agad. Natatakot tayo na parang ma-judge, natatakot tayo na sumaliwa sa agos, natatakot tayo na ma-misinterpret nila kung ano yung gusto natin sabihin. So, dito sa mga sasali sa The Voice, ang number one goal talaga is to become the great artist, is be yourself. Gets na maraming nangyayari ngayon sa mundo, maraming nangyayari sa showbiz and sa artistry ng mga musikero, pero hindi mo maalis yung fact na yung authenticity, yun yung mas nakikita at nangingibabaw sa isang artist. So, kung different ka, it's okay, walang problema doon, as long as you're proud and confident na ipakita ko sino ka talaga.
I really had a hard time kasi parang dala-dala ko siya buong time. Why do I have to decide? But I know naman na they gave their best. Talagang kinalingan nila. It's just that it's still a competition and talagang kailangan kong mag-decide at to make a sacrifice. Sobrang proud ako sa kanila. Like sa Jules Squad. For sure naman, like hindi naman talaga ito yung last time na magpo-perform sila. Siyempre, alam mo yan, may iba pang opportunities na magbubukas for them para din, alam mo yun, mag-grow sila and hayaan sila na mag-embark sa ibang journey.